pitch? Have you ever wondered why you're not surrounded by adoring followers? Be honest, it keeps you up at night, doesn't it? Tossing and turning in the moonlight, wondering why you don't have any... But take heart, for the wisdom of the almighty Dragon Lord, Kahulahau, is right here within your grasp. Prostrate yourself before us, beg for our words of guidance, and we may yet deign to show you the way. That's your pitch? Ugh, come on, man, you're